It has been said that the best things in life are worth waiting for. Well, your wait is over. Welcome to 2608 at 77 Hudson, the premier building in Jersey City. Few homes offer the luxury and ambiance of 77 Hudson Street, nestled in the heart of downtown Jersey City. Apartment 2608 is the home you've been waiting for and is situated perfectly within the building. The direct eye-level panoramic views of the Manhattan skyline and Hudson River are breathtaking. In addition, this graciously sized, sunny, 872 square foot one-bedroom home offers a generous entry foyer with room for a home office, and then opens up into the most luxurious chef's kitchen one could desire. Replete with imported Italian cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, and elegant stone countertops. An expansive living room is perfect for entertaining or just enjoying that coveted view from floor-to-ceiling windows. A well-placed hallway with closets leads to a spa-like bathroom with a deep soaking tub. The king-size bedroom features corner floor-to-ceiling windows where one can revel in sweeping eastern skyline views and southern river views, even of Lady Liberty herself. Custom closets, 5 in total, beautiful hardwood floors and central air throughout. Relish in over 40,000 square feet of 5-star amenities, such as a state-of-the-art fitness center, business center, newly renovated resident lounge, private dining room, game room, and screening room, just to name a few. Indoors. Outdoors, the rooftop offers a large pool area with hot tub, barbecues and a fire pit, a dog run, and jogging path. Bike storage is available, and regular storage as well as monthly parking in the on-site garage are available for very reasonable monthly fees. If you ever do decide to leave your home, Hudson Street and the beloved surrounding Paulus Hook neighborhood cater to your every desire, with an abundance of cafes, restaurants, shopping, parks, and other conveniences. The Exchange Place PATH train and light rail, along with the New York Waterway ferry, are just moments away, as is a delightful stroll along the waterfront promenade. At 77 Hudson Street, you can live in the lap of luxury, creativity, and fun. I hope that you'll join me soon and come check out this phenomenal home.